Alright, keep going. This place is magnificent. This place is magnificent. Oh, I remember this. I almost ate shit on this. Oh. Wow! Oh! Yo! You see that? Oh. Yo, Darren, you need to send me that footage.
Yeah, I got you.
I haven't hit Indy in a while.
Oh yeah, we took it last time, Peter. Indy is fun. It's a lot of slow. Oh, oh, I'm good. Oh, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, good.
Oh, I got that on camera. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me take a break. I'm all good. Nothing major. Definitely no broken bones, but just a little scratched up. Nothing much. Nothing major. I went too high on this one, see?
Yeah, no, I saw that.
I went a little too high, I went sideways, slammed down. No damage. That was fun.
What about Jay?
I'm all good.
You're good.
You guys?
Yeah. Yo, Darren, you got that on camera?
I did.
Send me that too.
Okay, I will. Good?
Yep. Minor oopsie. I need them away until, like, you know, it's gonna be bruised, but
tires, Scuba.
yeah, see, no, because look, I can walk at least. See, I went a little high on this. See, I think some of these are my tracks. I went over here, I went sideways, and I went here and I overcorrected.
You went for too much air.
Yeah, see, no, because I went sideways and I overcorrected and I drifted, I slammed down. See, I jumped. I should have like just
My next bike's gonna be a YT though.
Yeah. Because yeah.
Gonna be a Rocky Mountain.
Oh yeah. Because what I was supposed to do, I was supposed to, like, you know, go over like that,
Actually,
like smooth,
yeah.
but I jumped it.
I like my bike so much. There's no point. My bike has better specs than a YT. I have to get a Santa Cruz.
Oh yeah, that will be my next, but that's when I have money, you know. This will do me for now.
What'd you hit?
What?
What'd you hit?
Oh, I hit this. Definitely. I think that was on my pedal or on my bike. You definitely have the footage, so you'll show me. And I also, yeah, I slammed because I went down, and so I slammed my elbow into the ground a little bit. See? Yeah, I don't have any scabs, right?
That's not terrible.
All right, yeah. That's really all I hit. And a little bit of my hip, but that's fine.
You're good. The hip is fine.
Yeah.
You should be wearing this.
No, I don't think it would have helped me. I mean, it would have helped me a little here, but not other than that. Nothing on my chest, nothing on my back. I knew I was gonna eat shit today. All right, let's go. I'm feeling better now. Oh, me.
What?
Oh,
Oh, you popped it.
I'm not sure. No.
Yo!
All right, so here's the thing. So I don't think I completely ripped. What I think is that it went off. It went sideways.
We have to repump it.
Yeah, I think it just needs repumping.
is this tube or tubeless?
I think it's tube. I'm not sure. I don't feel a tube in here though.
All right, let's go.
Well, if it's a tube, then I definitely pop the
How
tube.
are we gonna get it down? Fuck.
Yeah, cause see here, like that's all they have. I think it just slid off because like I went like, you know, my tire must have hit a rock.
All right.
And like, you know what I mean?
Down.
Hey, tire down. Yeah, see, like I slipped in and must have gone through. So I must have tubeless then.
Fuck, we don't have a...
I'll walk down.
Alright, you're gonna have to walk it on the side.